Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we have this new Airdrops updates and why you should take position on each of these airdrops. So I'll be walking you through these three airdrops. Number one is the Mon Protocol and the side quest, the Sesame Labs. And for those that did every world season 1 Subquery Airdrop farming, the claim button is live now, just that MetaMask wallet is currently on downtime. You can barely connect MetaMask wallet because I think they are having some downtime, like they are having some issues already. So I don't know how long it will take for them to rectify this. So if you have been having issue connecting your wallet, viewing your points and all of that, just know that it's from MetaMask. I hope they fix it before the end of today. And also Subquery, for those that that we registered, that we did Subquery together. I mean this. I'm just trying to give you a heads up about the previous airdrop that we've been doing, so that we did so far, so you know what's up with them. Subquery Life is also Subquery claiming is live as well. So if you did this Subquery and you did your KYC, you had 1,000 points before 10th of April. You did your KYC and had 1,000 points before 10th of April. Then you can connect your wallet and claim your points. They gave people according to their points, and they initially released 800 pieces of the coin. No matter what you've earned, no matter your allocation, everyone received 800 pieces. That is what you can withdraw at the moment, and the point is on base network. I can drop the contract address or join the Telegram community. Join my Telegram community so you can copy the contract address from there. For those that cannot copy contract address from the description box. So when you join my Telegram, you'll be able to copy the contract address. So if you do this Subquery, then you know, as I said earlier, MetaMask is currently having an issue. If I click on it, will not pop up. So that's the issue MetaMask is currently having. So if you're unable to claim, just hold on for it. Maybe by tomorrow everything will be normal. So that is for Subquery and Every. These two claiming is live, and they are trading on Bybit, these two airdrops. So that's for the Subquery airdrop and the Every airdrop that we've done so far. And we are currently doing some social hyphy. If you are yet to take your position on any of the social hyphy, you will do well to take your position ASAP, because you can't be unlucky for 365 days farming airdrop. So you don't know which one will give you the bag. So you just have to be active, take your position and what have you. So be active on this channel. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram community. Always be active. Turn on your notification bell. So when I upload videos, you will get notified and you can take your position right away. We bring to you airdrop information, updates, withdrawal and all of that. And we also have so now let's dive into this Mon Protocol. This Mon Protocol, basically, those that are using the system can register seamlessly. And this is what you do. You spin every 24 hours. I've spinned for today, and that's why the countdown is there. So you spin every 24 hours, and you do other social media tags as well. You can see the like and retweet this post. So if you have a system, you can seamlessly register on this Mon Protocol and start doing the social media tags. These are the social tags that you have to do here. But if you don't have a laptop, you don't have a PC, then there is this configuration they are doing on the phone that you can do and be able to register on this Mon Protocol. I'll drop the configuration steps in the description box. Please go through the description box if you are using a mobile, if you are using a phone or a smartphone, so that you can configure your settings and be able to do this Mon Protocol with your phone. Basically, all I do know is those that are using PC doesn't need any configuration. But if you are not using PC, then you need to first of all configure your phone and be able to do this Mon Protocol. You don't want to fade this. So go to the description box. You will see I will drop the configuration settings in the description box so that you will be able to configure your settings and you can register on this Mon Protocol. I will also drop the registration link of all of these airdrop this Mon Protocol, side quest, Sesame Labs on the description box as well as one. So I will drop the registration link for all of this airdrop in the description box. So this is for Mon Protocol. It's just a social media tax, and you spin every 24 hours. So you spin every 24 hours. So now to this side quest, they are looking the same. You see, connect wallet, watch the RCADE teaser now. Watch teaser. So all of these quests are what you are going to be doing. You see how the quest is. Almost 0.2, and this one too, spin. This one is also similar to Mon Protocol. So I think you will be able to register this one directly on your phone without any configuration. Though I've not tried it with phone, let me not lie. So you see what I did? I just spinned and I got this. So I'll come back to spin tomorrow, and I can do any of these tasks to proceed to earn points. And you know what it is now? It's points farming that we are currently doing on most of this airdrop at the moment. Every airdrop is involving points farming. I don't know, but it is well with us. So that is what we are currently doing at the moment. So do as many points as you can, and you'll be able to get something, and we hope they really cook well. So now to the last one, but not the least, which is the Sesame Lab. This is not this is kind of different. Guys, we have these alpha testnet, alpha airdrops, and testnet airdrops. Those ones are not point farming. They are on-chain activities that you need to do. The IFI trading, basically, those are what testnet airdrop entails. The IFI trading. So to serve you all better, you will do well to subscribe to any of my membership package on YouTube. I'll be dropping the membership link on how to sign up on how to join the membership on this description box. Just click on the link. You will see the equivalent amount you have to pay in your local currency. The least package is $3 monthly. You pay in your local currency. YouTube will directly on how to do that. So join this membership service, subscription with at least $3 monthly, so that you can get tutorial videos for testnet airdrop, alpha airdrop, and you will not fade on all of those ones. So in this cryptocurrency, you have to expand your wings. You don't depend on one particular airdrop, and that is why we have different kind of airdrops. So to take advantage of airdrop of testnet and alpha's airdrop, join my membership. Subscribe to any of the membership package. That is where I will be posting testnet and alpha airdrop guides, testnet and alpha airdrop tutorials, guides how to do all of these on-chain activities on any alpha airdrop that we have, or any testnet airdrop that will be farming. So check the description box for the link to join the membership. It goes a long way. Like, you will really learn a lot, and you'll be able to. Those kind of airdrop, they print hard. They print really well, unlike some of these other airdrops. So they print hard. So that's why you have to also do the online, the on-chain activities to earn more. So, and it's a way to skill up. It's a way to grow. It's a way to acquire knowledge when it comes to cryptocurrency. So check the description box for the link and get yourself subscribed to my membership. So now for this Sesame Labs, this is what we have. You connect your wallet at the top of the page, because my wallet is connected. Then you click on here, check in, and you check in every 24 hours. I've checked in for today like this. And you scroll down here. You do this you like them on product ons. You see mine is pending verification. You click on this link, it will direct you to products ons, then like them or you follow them, whichever you are seeing. Copy this link and paste it to your browser. Then you see the products ons and you follow them on products ons, and that's it. Then this one is pending. Then for Sesame's quiz, I've not even make attempts on this quiz. I need to read their maybe white paper or something to know what their quiz will be all about. If I click on it, okay, prepare for this quiz by visiting. You see, you visit this place to read about them, so you can answer this quiz correctly and earn points. So that's for the quiz. Then we have the social media tags, the Twitter tags that you can do. And guys, you can follow my Twitter account. I'll drop my Twitter account link to this page. That is where the social IFI farming is happening. So you like, you repost, you comment or tag to get social IFI points. That is how we did all of this. Every blog games, Mojo, and all of that, and the ones we are currently doing. So follow me on Twitter. Check the my Twitter link in the description box as well, and all of this registration link in the description box, as well as my membership subscription link in the description box. Like and share this video. Stay active. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is what we have for all of this new airdrop, this Mon Protocol side quest Sesame Labs, and I've made an updated information about Subquery and every word. So this is all I have at the moment. I'll see you guys later on the next one. Be active. Stay tuned for more amazing updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.